Hey everybody, it's Cubmaster Chris. Welcome back to Corona's Cub Scout Corner. Today we are going to talk about cardinal points of a map. So I'm sure you've all looked at a map and you've seen what's called a rosebud down in the corner. Something that looks like this. That tells you what direction is north on that map. So we know what that one is. I know it's really easy to find out the rest of them. What's opposite of north? South. And if we go over here, east, and this one by process of elimination is west. Exactly, north, south, east, west. So remember, it's a bird's eye view. So if you're at your house, north of you would be Canada direction, south of you would be Mexico direction, east of you would be, say, Italy, England direction, and west of you would be California direction. Now, there's some more points we want to talk about. There's points that are called inner cardinal points. Those are the points that are within. And here's 4 of them. Okay. So, in between north and east, we have a direction. Anybody can guess that? That's right. North, east. Okay, so now how about here? So remember, when it calls out the direction from in between, your north and south are always your primary ones. So it's not going to be east-north. It's going to be northeast, just like down here. It's not going to be east-south. It's going to be southeast. That's right. And this one's not going to be west-south. It's going to be southwest, and the same with this, northwest. Okay, so now we have 4 cardinal points. We have 4 inner cardinal points. But wait, there's more. So we actually have 8 more. So there's 2, there's 4, there's 6, and there's 8. Another set of inner cardinal points. Inner. Okay? So how do we know what the name of those ones are? I don't get it. This one here is closer to north, isn't it? I'm going to put north, north, east. This one here is a little closer to east, so it's going to be east, north, east. See how that works? This one here is closer to east. East, right? South, east. And this one down here is close to south, and this is south, south, east. Okay, so we're going to work our way around. This one here is south, south, west. And then we have above that, we have west, south, west. Above that, we have west, north, east. And we have north, northwest. Okay. So those are your 16 cardinal and inner cardinal points. Now, we're just going to go through a couple directions. Okay, so you're going to start using a compass. And we're going to talk a little more about a compass and identifying its parts on a different episode. But if you'll notice all around your bezel, it has all these numbers. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the 4 cardinal points angular number. So north is 0 degrees or 360 degrees because there's 360 degrees in a circle, isn't it? So 0 is where it starts, or 360 is where it ends. Okay, so now we're going to come around. So what is this one? See that angle right there? You know that, right? It's a 90-degree angle right here, isn't it? 90-degree angle, isn't it? So you think it's a coincidence that this is 90 degrees? Not at all. So a straight line is how many degrees? Okay, so from 0 to south would be 180 degrees, right? So we just added 90 and 90, okay? So we continue traveling it around, where does it go next? So we have to add 90, 90. What if we add 90 more to that? 270 degrees, right? Okay. So in order to find out what each of these inner cardinal points, it's just a little bit of math, isn't it? It's a little bit of math to figure out what every single one is. So we can go around and say this one is 22.5 degrees, okay? And then the next one, this one is halfway in between the 90. So this is 45 degrees, isn't it, right? And then here we have, what's this, 67.5 degrees. And then we hit 90. So that's how it works. So it's all based on a circle. Remember, we're going to talk a little more about setting your azimuth and your bearing and how you use all these numbers on a compass. But I hope you learned a little bit about cardinal points today. Come back on a different day and we'll learn some more. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you soon.